Window replacement cost 101. Window replacement cost calculator. Window replacement costs can vary widely based on several factors, including the type of window, the materials used, the size of the window, and labor costs. Here's a breakdown of the costs and some advanced tips for reducing them. Window replacement cost. The average cost for window replacement ranges from $450 to $1,400 per window, including labor. Costs can be as low as $300 for a single pane, single hung aluminum window, and as high as $2,500 for more premium options. Replacing 25 windows can cost between $18,000 and $20,000. Advanced tips for reducing costs. 1. Choose the right time. Schedule your window replacement during off-peak seasons when contractors may offer discounts due to lower demand. 2. Pick the right windows. Opt for the most cost-effective windows that meet your needs. Vinyl windows are generally more affordable and provide good insulation. 3. Buy in bulk. If you're replacing multiple windows, you may be able to negotiate a lower price per window. 4. DIY measurements and installation. If you're skilled at home improvement, doing your own measurements and installation can save on labor costs. However, be cautious as incorrect installation can lead to higher costs in the long run. 5. Energy efficiency rebates. Look for federal tax credits or local utility rebates for installing energy-efficient windows. 6. Negotiate with contractors. Don't hesitate to negotiate the price. Get multiple quotes and use them as leverage to get the best deal. 7. Consider financing options. Some companies offer financing plans that can spread the cost over time. 8. Replace in phases. If not all windows need immediate replacement, consider doing it in phases to spread out the expense. Remember, while saving money is important, it's also crucial to invest in quality windows that will last and provide good energy efficiency, which can save you money in the long run on heating and cooling costs. Always consult with a professional to ensure that you are making the best choice for your situation.